Today I am on Jameson. This one is just in time for you. It is jam-packed with amenities. It will have you jumping for joy. Take a look.
Picturesque in Puckett West. Great curb appeal along with a great floor plan. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage plus a shop. The interior offers an open living area with beautiful flooring and fireplace. The dining and kitchen are spacious with beautiful granite countertops and a gas cooktop. The spacious owner suite is isolated with a luxurious bath. You won't want to miss out on the wonderful backyard equipped with a workshop, patio, and greenhouse with a raised garden. Don't miss out on this one.
I wasn't joking. This one on Jameson is jolly, jazzy, and just perfect for that jack of all trades. For your personal tour, just call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.